Hello everyone, I'm Carly and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Crafting with Class. Today I have some little gifts that I gave to my teacher friends when we returned back in person, and I used the diamond press gable box dies to make it. So here's the final product, and I really thought they came out super cute and they were easy. So let's get started on how to make these. So you need two of the main body pieces and two of the side pieces. And that's it. This box is super easy to put together, and as you will see. So I always like to begin when making any kinds of things like this is to always fold on those creases. So I use my bone folder to make sure that those creases are nice and crisp, and that is all you need to do for this box. So you fold on the bottom one, fold mountain fold on the next one, and then valley fold on the top one. And that will form this front and the back of the box. And then the side has 3 score or 4, 2 on the sides and one for the top and one for the bottom, like this. So the side, the bottom, the side, and then the top. And then that's it. You're ready to start putting this together. So I'm using liquid glue to give me a little wiggle room. So you attach the side to the main piece like this, just making sure they're lined up. And because the pattern is super busy on my paper, I just needed to make sure that everything is aligned, as far as the edges. And then I'm going to glue the other tab to the other main side piece, like so. And now this paper that I'm using is super old. I mean like super, super old. It's from Die Cuts with a View, but I'm starting to, use all those papers that I didn't want to use because they're so cute. So this was one of them. I love anything, of course, school and teachery. And so I decided that this would be perfect for giving little treats to my teacher friends. And so I wanted to put things in this little gable box that would be useful, I felt, now that we are back in person after not being together for a year and a half. So I'm on to my last tab, and so there it is. So once that is secured, then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the bottom and adhering the bottom, which is really simple. So I'm securing all of those tabs along the box and pressing them down with my bone folder. Okay, so far that is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and fold in the side tabs. Now you don't need to add glue. I just want to add glue because I'm going to be putting a lot of little things in there. So then all you need to do is bring it down so that the little tabs will connect on the inside. So hope you can see it there. And then this is what it will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and use my bone folder to secure those tabs inside with the glue. So I'm really pressing those in, and that's it. So that's what the box looks like. So now all you need to do is press in the top, put those little flaps through the slot, and that is done. That's the box. Super easy, right? This is super simple, and it's a nice size box. You can definitely fit lots of little goodies in here, including a gift card if you wanted to use it that way. All right, so now to embellish. So I die cut this little apple. I die cut it twice, so once out of that brown and once out of this foil red, and then I just adhere the foil part for the main apple part, and I use my Copics to color in the stem and the leaf. I die cut this little teacher die cut out of some that shiny holographic paper. I put some little pop dots behind it and then added some bigger ones to attach it to the actual box itself. And I think this little teacher die cut is from Sugar Pea Designs. So I'm going to attach it to where I want it to go on the little box. And I thought next to those little white and black Converse was right where I wanted it. Okay, so now to fill it. So I decided I wanted to put some hand lotion since we have to use hand sanitizer so much and it dries out our hands. And to keep life spicy, a little bottle of Tajín. And to keep life sweet, a little Snickers, fun size. And I also wanted to include a lip balm because with having to wear a mask all day, it roughs up the lips. And so also some cough drops and some chamomile tea, because now we're having to project our voice way more because we have to combat the air filter in the class, the mask, the air conditioner, the acrylic divider. So I thought all of these things would be helpful, little some things to give to my teacher friends that hopefully they will find helpful. So to finish, I wanted to add a little bow. The bow is completely optional. It's decorative because the little tabs on the side will hold the box shut. So you don't need to secure it in any other way. So this is just decorative, but I liked how that, little touch of bow added to the whimsy and cuteness of this box. So I'm tying that bow at the top and fussing with it, of course, as I always do with bows. But that's it. Super simple, super cute little box. Way to go, Diamond Press. So here are the other ones that I made. So again, these are all came from the same paper collection, and I just kept the elements all the same, and all the contents are the same as well. And I like this little frog paper. I thought it was really cute. And that has a little red gingham bow. So this is a great little project to use up all those papers that you have been hoarding like I have. And then this is the one that I showed you how to put together on camera. So there is a total of 6 that I made for my teacher crew. And so hopefully they will be useful to them. The little contents will. So here's some final peeks at the boxes, and you can use these little boxes for anything. They're very nice size, super easy to put together, and so I'm so glad that I picked this one up, and I would definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and commenting, of course. Have a lovely crafternoon, and if you want to see any more videos, here are a couple recommendations from me. Until next time, bye!